I'm so excited to make this video. So for the past 1 year, I've been saving money. I've been saving 500 rupees every single month, and finally I've accumulated 6,000 rupees, and I've bought one of my favorite watches, that is Casio. This is not a G-Shock, this is an analog watch, and let us unbox the watch in this video and admire its beauty. Okay, so this is the watch right here. Let us unbox it. Oof, oof, look at it. It looks so good. Oh, yes, it's amazing. Hard-earned money, definitely worth it. Just look at it, man. It's looking amazing on the watch. I'm so happy that I bought this from my hard-earned money. Oh, so damn excited for this watch, yeah. This watch is gonna turn heads when I wear this in college. Well, this was a fun little video. If you enjoyed this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching this video till the end. It means a lot to me. Thank you everybody. Please have a nice day.